Itura ria Kabarak gicigo bunge kia Rongai kaunti ya Naikuru ni kuo mutigaire mutongoria wa kere wa bururi Daniel Moi atanyitwo gukahurukio muthenya wa gatatu kiumia giukite. Na mihang'o ya wihariria wa mathiko no ithiite na mbere kuria atongoria 10 ya mabũrũri matiganite matanyitwo gugekinyia mathiko-ini maya. Mihang'o ya wihariria uyu ni hindi hiriire Kabarak niguo gutigirira maundu mothe ni makinyanirio kuria kamiti ya mwanya irira hariria mathiko maya yugite ni iganire no ria mibango ino irathi na mbere guku mathiko maya magitanywo gwikinywo ni andu 30,000.
We started today with an inspection of the activities in Nairobi, both at Parliament and at Nyayo Stadium, and we were satisfied in Nairobi that everything is as planned, and we should be able to have a very dignified send-off for the late president. Prepared to host about 30,000 people as well, and what we've been doing is to check that that hosting will be orderly, because 30,000 people is quite a huge number in terms of logistics and in terms of providing security.
Na hari kugacirithia mithire barabara no ithiite na mbere na guthondekwo mihang'o ire ratabanio rungu rwa urugamiriri wa honge citiganite cia guthii gutigirira mibango yothe ni yathita uria itanyitwo. No kanitha-ini wa AIC Kabarak no ria mutigaire Moi akoretwo ari murumiriri woma maundu mauma ngurani kanitha-ini uyu amu mirango yuma mihinge muingi na arutwo magithii na mbere na mitha ya kanitha kiharo-ini kia University ya Kabarak. Mucini gwake na kuria tutanetikirio kuingira kurerikana mbiraru cia bururi no guthira thi na mbere na mehariria ma mathiko. Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i hamwe na kamiti ira tabarira mihang'o ya mathiko ma Moi magitanywo gucera mwena uyu wa Kabarak muthi wa rucio guthurima wihariria uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Kabarak gicigo bunge kia Rongai kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.